Hi everybody, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty LLC, and today we're talking about inspections from a buyer's perspective. So we've spent all this time looking at houses and we finally found the one. And of course you fall in love with a house like you fall in love with a person. And so the inspection period is kind of where we burst your bubble and you find out all the things that you might not love about the person that you're in love with or the house that you're in love with. So all of these inspections that we're going to do, the general home inspection, a sewer scope, a radon test, and sometimes an underground storage tank, all of these together are going to take between 4 and 5 hours, and you of course can be at the property to see it and hang out in it and kind of lay out your furniture and all that fun stuff. We get a report from the inspector, and then I use that to produce a bunch of bids on the property so that we know how much it's going to cost to fix all the things that they found. Typically, there's going to be at least $10,000 worth of work that needs to be done on every purchase, no matter what price range you're in. And that money is typically going to be negotiated during a second round of negotiations that we have with the seller. So we get to either ask for them to pay your closing costs, we can ask them to do some of the work before closing, or we can ask them for a price reduction. The first two, them doing the work or paying your closing costs, are the most valuable to you because you get dollar for dollar to do the work, or the work's done before closing, so you just get to move in with a new roof perhaps. I know this is stressful, but we'll tackle it together, and I'll be your Oprah and we will get you this house. You have a great week and we'll talk soon. Take care. If you like this video, click the like button below, and of course subscribe to our channel so you get all the new weekly content. If you have a comment or question, comment below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for tuning in.